Namaste students. So in the previous session we have understood the block diagram of computer system and we have understood the basic workflow of computer. Now we will understand the definition of computer and computer system. So yes, what is computer? Computer is an electronic device, a highly modern electronic device that takes input as a raw data from user and process it under control of user, which is referred as programs. So programs are the instructions that are given by user and then it produces some result which can be referred as output and saves it in memory. So this is the complete definition of computer. Okay. So yes, we have talked about that what is computer system. So only computer is not a computer system. So let's understand. A computer along with additional hardware as well as and software together is called a computer system. So when we talk about the hardwares and software, if we combine both of them, then it makes the computer system. And it also comprises central processing units such as CPU, memory, input-output devices and storage devices. If we talk about the input units, so it contains the inputs that is given by the user and the input devices such as keyboards, mouse, scanner. And if we talk about the output unit, it contains the output as well as the output devices such as monitor, printer, etc. So far we have discussed the input unit and the output unit. Now we will look the control unit. What do you mean by the control unit? All devices to parts of computer interacts with the computer system is came under the control unit, and it also consists the operating system such as Windows, Linux and etc. Arithmetic and logical unit. All the arithmetic and logical operations are applied in this section. So supposingly if we want to add two digits such as 2 plus 3, if we want to perform this addition, then arithmetic unit will execute it. Supposingly if we want to know that which digit is bigger, is the 2 digit is bigger, is the 3 digit is bigger, then the logic operation will be executed of computer system. So here you can understand what is the arithmetic and logical units. All the calculations are being executed in this unit. Coming to the memory, all unit data, all input data and instructions processed are stored in the memory such as primary memory, secondary memory and etc. Yes, so far we have discussed every unit of block diagram of computer system. So now we will understand data and information. Okay, so data, raw facts and figures are referred as data. Whatever user inputs the data into the computer system. And now what is information? Meaningful data and instructions are known as information. So here I have shown you some example. Here the RAM. You don't identify what this RAM means. This 11. It may be an amount, it may be someone's age, but we do not identify what this 11 means to say. This is A. A may be an alphabet or a symbol, but we cannot identify what are these. So that's why they are the raw facts and figures. So that's why they are referred as data. But talking about the information, if I write this RAM in the under the section of name, so we can identify that RAM is a name. If I write 11 under the column of class, so we can identify this 11 is a class and A is a section. So this RAM, this 11 and this A is referred as information. So here you can differentiate between the data and information. Both are just input by end user, just like us. So this is the data and instructions. So coming to the programs, what are the programs? A computer program is a sequence of instructions which is given by users, written using a programming languages. As we all know that computers have its own languages. There are many languages in which the computer programs written. So the program is the sequence of instruction that is given by user. So what do you mean by the programming? The act of writing computer programs is called computer programming. Whatever we write, whatever we give instruction in a programming language by users is called the programming process. The computer programming languages is the languages to be used to write a computer program. So far we are using several kind of programming languages such as C, C++, Python, Java, PHP and many others. But in this subject we will cover the Python language. Thank you for watching.